Hello, my name is Scott Herman, and I'm with Herman Insurance Services, and I'm here to discuss with you important coverages to have or to make sure that you have with building coverage when you own your own business and you own the building as well. Obviously, you want to make sure that your building coverage includes replacement cost, so there's no forms of depreciation. Also, you want to make sure it's special form and that it covers water damage in the event you have a bursted pipe and you do a lot of interior or exterior damage because of a bursted pipe. Along with that coverage, you also want to make sure that you have building codes and increased cost of construction. So just because you have replacement cost doesn't mean it's going to pay for the increased cost of construction. So you need to determine how many code changes, or try to determine how many code changes there have been since your building was built. And also with the ADA, the American Disabilities Act, you also have, with rebuilding of buildings, there's some codes that say that all bathrooms, parking, all this has to be suitable to the American Disabilities Act. And obviously with architectural plans and rebuilding costs can be a lot more expensive than the original building. And just because you have replacement costs, that does not mean that they will pay for increased cost of construction. And another coverage to have with that would be demolition. So you want to make sure you have demolition coverage. For example, half the building burns and then the city determines that the whole building needs to be rebuilt. Well, before you can rebuild it, you got to come in here and you got to demolish all the leftover debris and get rid of all that. So you want to make sure you have demolition and debris removal. And that's all I have for today. Thank you very much. My name is Scott Herman.